Whakalo whatu mākou, welcome back. Got a special video today for you people out there wanting that summer body, looking to lose weight. Got someone here that's actually doing it and it's working.
My name is Christian. Good to meet you guys. I guess a bit about myself is, you've probably seen in previous videos about John's, family and that when we played netball. And that mixed indoor netball, but part of the reason why we're there is also the health and well-being aspect, and we're all trying to lose weight. So I consciously decided at the start of this year, it's time for this brother to lose some weight. 44 years old, Pacific Islander, Māori Fijian, a little bit of Sa in there, a little bit of PNG blood, and I think one thing that after reading an article in Otago University, is I said to myself, hey, it's time to not just read the literature, it's also time to practice some of it. And some of that literature says to us, that, say for example, eating too many takeaways, that's not good for us. But if we know that information, why don't we practice some of that stuff? So again, coming back to it, at the start of this year, I said, that's it, no more carbs, right? And I can tell you right now, and you probably already know this, but if you walk down parts of Pack and Save, Countdown, and you just look down those aisles, all you will see is carbs. And I think it's a real shame for us as Islanders, Pacific Islanders, that have come from things like raw foods, fresh produce, bananas, vegetables, and all that sort of stuff, to now eat this Western diet, which is something that we all need to be conscious of. As a Pacific person, I think part of the problem is a lot of this Western diet stuff is laced with all these sugars, processed meats, there's all of this sort of stuff. So the decision was made at the start of this year, hey look, it's New Year's resolution, it's time for people like myself, people of Pacific Island culture, to go out and lose some weight. So the goal is to lose 30 kgs in 6 months. I started at the end of New Year's, because you can't be on a diet on New Year's night, right? You can't be on a diet. And so what I said to myself is, okay, I'll start tomorrow, the 2nd of Jan, and I did. And in the first month, I didn't hit my goal of losing 15 kgs, but I hit my goal of losing at least 10. And at the moment, I'm on track to lose another 10 this month in February, but the goal is to lose 30 by the end of June. I don't want it to be too quick, because I don't want my body to go in shock. I am still I am still an islander. I do love to eat food, but I think what's important is those real eating choices you've got to make. We have got to make better eating choices, and I've got to be honest with everyone out there. I mean, I started off as 105 kgs, and now I'm down to 93.5 kgs, and still got a long road to go. But don't forget that life is meant for living, and if we're overweight, it just makes it a little bit harder. So let's try and make it easy for ourselves, not just me but also you. So if I can help you with this journey and show you a few things, I want to show you a bit of my journey, and I'm sure John will post some of my pictures as we go through this process of progression. This is the end of month 1, so what's that, what's that, 12 kgs lost or something? As I'll keep showing you guys the videos and show you what I'm doing. But at the moment, it's just about controlling the food. This month, first week of Feb, it's about starting to get into some better mobility, getting activity. And just so you all know, there are studies out there that say you should get at least, to lose weight comfortably, 8,000 steps a day. Some of you do 10, some of you do 5. I started off with 5 in Jan, but I said, let's increase it. So on average, I do about 8,000 steps a day. Just give your body the best shot. We don't all have to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger or freaking whoever those other bodybuilders look like, but we should at least try and control our eating, and then just gently go through the process of exercise. Don't try and rush, because there's crash diets, you go down and then you go up again when you finish. So I'm not about that. So the goal is, again, 30 kgs, end of June, and hope to have you along for the journey.
Too long. Just finished the chat, how to lose weight. with the Hakupu boys. Now we're gonna go see the Ika. Did you catch these or your friend?
We caught these, but for Hector's haircutting, we put the big 5 in there. So these are the small ones.
Oh yeah, small but legal, which is big. Because we were throwing how many back in the water when I used to go fishing. Here we go. Hey. Are these small?
Yeah.
Holy! Look at that. Gee. Son, go get a tray. So I'll take this one.
Get a tray. Oh yeah.
Or that one. Do you mind if I take that one?
Yeah, you take it. Yep.
Alright.
Because it's just you and
Hayden.
Hayden.
Oh, yeah. I'll take this one.
Yeah.
Dinner!
Yeah man, caught yesterday. Let's go.
This is the tōmanangi of the mga whaua. Look at the body already, see? That shirt's too big now.
Oh yeah man. Most of the weight loss coming off my legs, and I think you know, I think a lot of us islanders got to remember there's a lot of weight on our legs, so
Yeah.
you know, get the legs going. Once the legs come into shape, a lot of this fat should just drip down to there. Well, that's the plan anyway, but we'll see how it goes. But it'd be great to have you on the journey. You know, it's a transformation that I was saying to John, and you know, I think we should all give it a go. As I say, I'm turning 45 this year, and you know, why not? If any of you are in my age bracket, we should have a go. We should have a go and just be better role models for our kids. There's a lot of overweight kids out there, so might as well. Hey, what have we got to lose? What have we got to lose? Then 30 kgs and get more time back in our lives. Hey.
Oh yeah. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Hector. Oh, sweet. All right.
Sweet.
Oh yeah. Whakalo whātu. My brother's just left, but he left the fish, so what am I doing? Tūnui laisi. I don't really like eating rice because I don't like eating carbs, but my family eats it, and it goes really nice with the fish, especially fried fish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the fish in oil. My missus loves that fried fish. So I'm going to do the rice, put the rice on, and then I'll show you how to fillet the fish. So here's the fish here. This is the fish here. Big fish. What I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna clean it. Ooh, got a bit of saliva coming out. I'm just gonna clean it like that. Clean the fish. Good size for a small family like mine. Okay. And I'm gonna bring it here. Get the fillet knife. Sharp knife. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. Taha ua tolu. You wanna look for the hole, the poo hole. So it's there. So what I'm gonna do is turn it over. Gonna put the knife here. Can you see that? And I'm gonna put it there. And then I'm gonna cut up like so. Then I'm gonna cut down like that. Gonna open it up. Bang, bang. Now come close. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and reach behind the gills. Here are the gills. Pull that up. And put my 2 fingers behind. And voila. That's the guts. That's going in the garden. Good compost. Bang. That's going on the compost. Now there's a bit of stuff. There's still a bit of stuff in there. So now I'll go back here. And just give it a good clean out rinse. You know, the flies are gonna love the smell, but it's a good thing it's at night time, because night time is not many flies. So yeah, that's gutted now. I've got the fish now. So what I might do is, because my missus wants it fried, so I might, oh, it's not even scaled. Okay guys, come here. What you're meant to do is scale the fish before you gut it. I thought it was already scaled, so whoops. I'm just scaling it like that. See how the scales are just coming off quite easily? That's a little trick I learned from my Tongan friend told me this. Do it outside if you have a spot. It's messy. No. Look at that. Just to scale it all off. Sick. Eikoi full walla. This is not a pretty job. It's very give up. Now, just leave my leave that there. Now we're back inside. Oh man, good when you're out at sea, clean it in the sea. When you're at home, you can't really do that. Don't want the house to stink. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kele, dig a little hole. I don't even know if that's the right word, but kele. Yeah. Tuki loto. And then I'm gonna cover it. I've cleaned it now, scaled it. So I'm gonna cut the head off now. Now we go outside to the papa kill. Cook it on the tray, so now I'm gonna turn the gas on. And voila! So now I'm cooking that. Once I hear it get really, really hot, then I'll be alright. Yeah. The reason why I cook it outside now is because it stinks. Elolahi loto fale haku. So I'll just cook it out here. And then once it cooks, because it stinks up the house. So now I just cook it, fry it on the barbie. I just like to clean up. So as my brother was talking before, he does a lot of, he doesn't eat much carbs and he's lost a lot of weight. So now, that's what I've been doing for years. That's how I've been able to keep the weight down for so long. That's one of the secrets. So, yeah. Okay, we'll catch up soon. I'll come back when the food's cooked. Hope you enjoyed that. I wasn't meant to do a video on how to cook and catch and clean tawika, but that's how it's done. Pakalo fatu. Sensei moho te tawika. Honge lahi a mautolo ke kai ika. Leve mga aho. Ai whai ika ke kai. It's been a long time since we've had fish, so now we are pretty fear. Gonna go grab it now and put on the table. Pakalo fatu mako. Hey, moho te tawika. I think the food is ready, so now I'm gonna take it off. Turn the tamase the gas. Now I'm gonna take this to the table. Man, manongi lahi. Look at that. Oh. Man, be careful, man. Pake make your bell up.
Mom.
Bella lahi. Look at that. Woo. Yeah, and then moho te laisa. Aye. Woo! Man, so. Aia. Whakolahi, mai ke whakanongonongo mai, ke tūna te kai awhi I mongo nei. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching what I cooked with the fish. Whakolahi Foki, ke tau kese haku, whakolahi Christian, thank you bro. Te mai hika, ke kai a mga whaua haku, whiawhialahi a mga whaua haku ke kai, ke whiawhia. Yeah, so man, fish is a good source of protein, healthy food, good for you looking at losing weight. Don't try not to eat too much taro or rice when you eat the fish, just eat mainly fish and you'll lose weight fast. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Ua nimo ke like, comment, subscribe. Tō whilawhia.